A major milestone has been reached for the Whakaora Te Ahuriri project. The constructed wetland is now operational, but completing the wetland has been challenging. After many months of work, the constructed wetland was finished and ready to be connected to the Huritini Halswell River. However, the connection to the river was delayed by the COVID-19 lockdown. But once restrictions were lifted in May, it was possible to finish the final earthworks that connected the constructed wetland to the Huritini Halswell River, making it operational. With the wetland completed, water is now flowing from the Huritini Halswell River via a culvert and into the old channel of the river, which then flows via another culvert into the main body of the wetland and through the aquatic plants that help to clean the water. With the clean water then flowing through a mahinga kai site at the end of the wetland and past an island which is already being used for nesting by pied stilt, before rejoining the Huritini Halswell River via a final culvert. Reaching this milestone has achieved a major goal for the project, which has been to develop a constructed wetland to improve the water quality, mahinga kai and biodiversity values of Ahuriri Lagoon, with the clean water then flowing downstream to Te Waihora. This goal has been reached by the community, co-governance, staff and contractors working together to design and build a constructed wetland that involved engineering and earthworks over 4 hectares and the installation of 144,000 plants. As the plants continue to establish, the site will be maintained, monitored and used for demonstration purposes both for the local community and the country.